Welcome back. Today, we're venturing deep into Russia. Far from Moscow's Red Square and St. Petersburg's palaces, we'll explore 10 hidden gems that reveal the wild, spiritual, and diverse soul of the world's largest country. These are places few travelers, and even fewer Russians, ever see. Get ready to challenge your perceptions and discover a Russia you never imagined. As we journey, let me know in the comments which destinations surprise you most. Our adventure into the real Russia begins now. Our first stop is Lake Baikal, Siberia's ancient mystical heart. It's the world's oldest and deepest lake, holding a fifth of all unfrozen fresh water. In summer, turquoise waters and emerald forests surround you. In winter, the lake becomes a crystal world of transparent ice and frozen lightning. Driving across the ice, you hear the lake groan and crack beneath you, a humbling, exhilarating experience. The local Buryat people consider Baikal sacred, and standing here, you'll understand why. Baikal isn't just a wonder, it's a place that stays with you forever. Next, we head to the wild Kamchatka Peninsula in Russia's far east, a land of volcanoes, geysers, and untamed wilderness. With over 300 volcanoes, Kamchatka is alive with geothermal energy and raw beauty. The Valley of Geysers erupts with steam and boiling water, while brown bears roam the rivers in summer. There are almost no roads, just endless landscapes of volcanic deserts, green valleys, and rugged coastline. Here, you disconnect from the modern world and surrender to nature's power. Kamchatka is an expedition, not a vacation, a place that changes you. Few places on Earth feel this wild and free. In southern Siberia, where Russia meets Kazakhstan, China, and Mongolia, lies the Altai Republic, a land of golden mountains and turquoise rivers. The scenery shifts from wildflower meadows to Mars-like steppes in hours. Ancient petroglyphs and burial mounds dot the valleys, connecting you to millennia of history. The Altaian people hold the land sacred, tying colorful ribbons to trees as offerings. Here, you slow down, breathe the pure air, and feel the spiritual energy of the mountains. Altai is both a natural paradise and a living link to ancient traditions. It's a journey into a different way of seeing the world. In Lake Onega, Karelia, Kizhi Island rises like a fairy tale, home to Russia's most astonishing wooden architecture. The Church of the Transfiguration, built without a single nail, shimmers with 22 domes. Every piece was hand-carved, a testament to lost craftsmanship. The island is a living museum, with traditional farmhouses and windmills set among peaceful fields. Kizhi is a poem in wood, a story of faith, community, and harmony with nature. Visiting feels like stepping back in time. Deep in Yakutia, the Lena Pillars rise along the Lena River, a forest of stone spires up to 300 meters tall. Sculpted by millions of years of freezing and thawing, these pillars form a surreal ancient wall. The best view is from the river, where the pillars reflect in the water's calm surface. Climb to the top for a breathtaking panorama of stone, river, and endless taiga. The silence and scale are awe-inspiring, a reminder of nature's artistry and time's immensity. The Lena Pillars are a Siberian wonder few ever witness. In Karelia's forests, Ruskyala Canyon is a marble quarry, reborn as a turquoise lagoon. Marble from here built St. Petersburg's grandest cathedrals. But now nature has reclaimed it. Paddle a boat through emerald waters, explore marble grottos, or zip line above the canyon. In winter, the canyon glows with colored lights, transforming into a magical ice kingdom. Ruskyala is proof that beauty can emerge from industry's scars. It's a hidden gem where history and nature blend perfectly. Near Krasnoyarsk, Stolby Nature Reserve is famed for its bizarre stone pillars rising from the taiga. Locals practice stolbism, free climbing these giants, forging a unique community spirit. Trails wind through pine forests to formations with names like Grandfather and Lion's Gate. Even if you don't climb, the views and energy here are unforgettable. Stolby is more than rocks. It's a living culture of adventure and connection with nature. It's Siberia's wild playground. In Dagestan, on the Caspian Sea, Derbent is Russia's oldest city, inhabited for over 5,000 years. The Narinkala fortress and ancient city walls once guarded the Silk Road's Caspian Gate. Wander the maze of old alleys, mosques and courtyards, where history echoes at every turn. Derbent is a crossroads of empires, cultures and religions, a living bridge between Asia and Europe. The city's warmth and diversity shatter stereotypes. Here, ancient history meets vibrant seaside life. Far north in the White Sea, the Solovetsky Islands are a place of spiritual power and tragic history. The Solovetsky Monastery, a fortress of faith, once thrived here, its monks transforming the harsh land. After the revolution, it became a notorious gulag camp, a haunting memorial to suffering. Today, you can bike through tundra and forest, visit ancient labyrinths, and feel the silence of the Arctic. Solovki is a place of contrasts, beauty and sorrow, faith and endurance. It's a pilgrimage into Russia's soul. The islands leave a lasting impression. In North Ossetia's mountains lies Dargavs, the city of the dead, a hillside necropolis of nearly 100 ancient stone crypts. These tombs, with their pyramid roofs, hold centuries of family history and legend. Some say plague victims entered the crypts to await death. Others believe the wooden boats inside were for souls crossing to the afterlife. The site is hauntingly beautiful, set against snow-capped peaks and green valleys. Walking among the tombs, you feel the weight of time and the mysteries of the past. Dargavs is sacred, solemn, and unforgettable. It's a place that confronts you with history and mortality. Our journey across Russia's hidden wonders ends here, but the adventure is just beginning. These 10 places reveal a Russia of wild beauty, deep history, and endless diversity. Share your own hidden gems or dream destinations in the comments. Let's build a bigger map together. Thank you for joining me on this expedition. Subscribe for more journeys to the world's most remote and fascinating places. Until next time, stay curious.